Done for me, it shall be permanent. It shall be.
Pastor.
Ah, brother.
Ah,
How are you today now?
I'm fine, sir.
Our business.
Fine, sir.
God bless.
Pastor, where are you going to, sir?
I want to go and preach the gospel.
In this street?
That is where the Spirit has led me to.
Sir, the spirit that have led you to this place is not a good one.
Sir?
This is Sodom and Gomorrah.
I know.
Oh, you know, and you won't go.
That is where the Spirit has led me to.
You are even still calling the spirit. If you go there, your life will never remain the same.
Brother, I don't understand your statement. You say wait.
If you go there, your life will never remain the same.
Brother, you want my life to remain the same before? They send you. Brother, I need change in my life. That is why I want to go there.
Oga, no be your regular change, oh.
Which one is not your regular change now? Now you send me there. The Lord told me to go there and see change. And I'm going for change. You say it's not your regular change. Now you call me. Hey! This man! And God won't punish you. Oga, don't disturb me in this journey.
See, if you go where God not send you, you go pay your transport.
I carry transport.
Oh, you carry transport?
My pocket load.
Okay, far where?
God bless you. It shall be permanent. It shall be permanent.
Izahkus wa mama. Inspector Izahkus, take am easy o. Engineer Izahkus, do am so free o.
Pastor, please, I need your help.
Need my help?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what do you want the Lord to do for you?
I want to give my life to Christ, sir.
All right, repeat after me.
Okay, sir.
Battle, fight my battle. Holy Ghost arise, so and fight my battle. Yeah.
Go now and sin no more.
Thank you, sir.
God bless. Brother, come.
Sir?
I see something now. Hey!
Sir?
The Lord told me something now concerning you.
Yes, sir.
What kind of sins have you been sinning before?
Okay, Pastor. I dey thief, I dey lie, and I dey kill. I dey fornicate.
You're a killer.
Yes, sir.
Like how many people have you killed?
Pastor, I don't kill more than 20 people.
You don't kill more than 20 people?
Yes, sir.
You be assassin? Brother, blood for your hand. Your sin is too much. You need to fast and pray for 30 days and 30 nights.
What?
No, don't panic, I'm here for you. I will intercede for you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
No, don't thank
you,
me. Don't thank me, brother. It will cost you.
This man!
Like how much, sir?
Like 300,000.
Pastor, 300,000.
Brother, no shout. I no charge you. I know how they do this thing. I not charge you. Now better price I give you.
300,000 is too much.
It's not too much, brother. It's not too much. Okay. No, you pay 290.
290.
Yeah.
Okay, I dey come and go with you.
No, don't worry. I have POS here.
What?
You have POS?
Yeah, we work with POS.
Hey!
Yes.
I hear me to me, bad me.
Hey!
What you be up here?
4411.
4411.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 290,000. My charges.
Pastor.
Now 1,000 now, not too much. Charges. That's 291,000.
Izahkus ye.
Okay, thank you for patronizing the Lord.
Thank you, sir.
Hi, Pastor.
Hi. Oh, excuse me, brother. How are you?
I'm fine.
God bless you.
I think I like you.
Really?
Yes, can we do?
Do what?
लोका तो छुपा के रखी राज ही बना के रखी सोने आवे तेरा मेरा प्यार यार आवे दिल तड़पे.
Okay, you want to receive it?
Yes, Papa.
Rono.
Do you like Ed? Can I give you Ed?
What? Hey!
Head. What's your problem now? I think I told you to excuse me. Why are you popnosing in our issue?
I hear head.
You hear head. Now head make you don't come back. What concern you ahead now?
This man!
I think I told you to go and sin no more. Why are you popnosing?
Pastor, I guess she won't give you head.
Why is it that young youth of nowadays, they don't use ear and hear things? You hear head, now I make you don't come back. What kind of head do you think she want to give me? You think far. You think far too much.
Pastor, which kind of head?
You don't know the kind of head that like Edward. She want to give me headphone. Yeah, headphone. Head is a word. That kind of head. That's the head she's talking about. You understand me?
Okay.
Yeah. Go.
Continue. Collect your head.
So, Auntie, you said, beautiful, fine damsel. You say you want to give me head. Okay, let's go. We can do it in that place now.
This man!
Nobody's watching.
Chai. Izahkus wa mama.
thing that you want to do,
Inspector Izahkus,
you want to do something for me today, God, the Lord will do it for you. If you give me good head, the Lord will head in you. He will head you normally and fantabulally. Yeah, position. Give me good head, though. But if you can give me good head, I will make you Mom G. I will take you to where you have never gone before. You hope say sugar in your mouth.
Yes.
You leave sugar where? Head, because head is for people that have sweet mouth. If you give me this sweet head,
Just say quick now.
I don't know why these things have to lose. Oh, you know they have like this. I don't know. So they don't want to. It will collect heads. It will collect her. Oh yeah,
Pastor.
Hey! Bro, I think I told you that you should excuse me now. What's your problem? Go and sit no more, bros. Yeah, go in peace. Yeah.
Pastor.
What's your problem now, brother? They sell you. What's I feel tell you slap. Leave me.
Pastor.
You be spirit?
No tell you say na Sodom and Gomorrah you come. I tell am.
Yeah.
You know yeah.
Photo. It is smoke Igbo.
You will pay the price.
It is taking
But
there.
which price now? Don't come and buy something that will pay for price now. I cannot pay price. Yeah. Yeah. Mamu. Brother, please, where is that auntie that is here? This auntie was nearly here before and now she's no more. Where is she? Brother, please.
I tell you, if you go where God no send you, now you go pay your transports.
How my transport? I told you I carry transport for here. I carry transport. I remember what you told me. I'm with my transport here. I can show you. Transport is with me. Now let this thing I don't see again.
Oh, you are with your transport?
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, they go.
I cannot go now, brother. My something is missing. Something is missing within me.
Oh yeah, they go now.
I cannot go without my ammo now, brother. Please, where's my ammo?
Oga, your ammo don't go.
Sir?
Your ammo.
Brother, this is not what we bargained now. It's not what we bargained. You know what we bargained, brother.
70 years old, man.
Is it that money that you transfer that you want to use to collect my ammo? It should not be done like that, brother.
You were not informed to.
You they use your ammo they preach.
No, sir.
Your ammo don't go.
Sir?
Oga, your ammo don't go.
No, now, bros, my ammo cannot go like that. It's not good for ammo to go. Please, bro. I just want to beg you. This is my first time doing this thing. Please. I've not done this thing before. Brother, don't do this. This is not what again. Bros.
Hey, Jesus Christ.
You will be a past participant.
Photo. Not be juju
my
be
ammo.
that.
You know, guess faith. You dey shout devil die by fire. Who you want to impress? Hello.
Sorry, oh. May God not allow them make them kill you.
Voila. Alright guys, thank you for watching this one. Don't forget to follow our page. Don't forget to like and don't forget to share. Subscription is free on YouTube. On Facebook, following is free. Like is free. Share it, I beg, share. God bless.